Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID and device readiness. Sign into Apple ID on the device, then add a payment method and billing address so purchases can complete. Once done, enable two-factor authentication for account security and update the device to the latest OS to avoid compatibility issues. Make sure you agree to any Apple terms, because the store requires acceptance before downloads. These initial steps ensure the rest of setup proceeds without stops or authentication errors. You now open iTunes or the Music app and go directly to the iTunes Store tab to begin. Next, check your country or region setting. This changes available content and payment rules, so adjust it if needed. Then configure family sharing or subscription settings to control purchases for others on your account. Make sure to set payment defaults and review subscription billing cycles, because this prevents unexpected charges. Once configured, you can browse and queue purchases with confidence. You finish by selecting content and completing the purchase flow. Tap the price or get, confirm payment, and allow the download to start. After downloading, check your purchase history to confirm the item and authorize the device for playback if required. If you set up family sharing, verify that shared purchases are visible. Finally, confirm downloads install correctly and test playback. If something goes wrong, try signing out and back in, verify the payment method, or restart the device to clear temporary issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.